Hey guys, so in this video, I'm just giving an update on CIPC's new reinstatement application process. So CIPC recently changed their whole process when it comes to reinstatement process. So the situation now is that if you send an email, your email is going to bounce. CIPC is now only using these three platforms for the reinstatement application process. It is the CIPC eServices, CIPC BizPortal, or CIPC self-service terminals. So everything has completely gone digital. So the rest of the process still remains the same. A 200 Rand fee is still applicable and required for the application to go through. And you're still required to ensure that you have submitted all outstanding annual returns, beneficial ownership declarations within 30 business days of your application being processed. The only other thing is that the 200 Rand needs to be paid through a Visa or a Mastercard when you're doing the application on their platforms. We're going to jump in right into the tutorial. You start here, you go to cipc.co.za. There are two options, eServices or BizPortal. I prefer using eServices. So you go ahead and you click there by eServices, you go to customer login, then you enter your credentials so that you can be able to log in. So you will click here on top where it says transact. Then once you've logged in, then you move to where it says more services right here at the bottom. You click on more services. It's going to open up to another page. So this is the new eServices page where you find the other services that are not on the normal landing page. You move here where it says business registration, and this bottom part you'll find company and close corporation reinstatements. You click on that. You are to read the terms and conditions, and at the bottom you will find the new mandate where you are agreeing that the company you are doing an application for was trading or held economic value, or if you are using a court order, that you do have the court order and you are the rightful person to do the application. So you go to the bottom, click I agree, continue. Then it's going to take you to the application processing page. You click there where it says new application. Once you get here, you are to search for the particular company. You enter the company registration number here. You enter it, then you search for it. So at the bottom of this video in the description, I will put a link to where you can download a step-by-step guide on how to do this reinstatement application. Now that you have searched for the entity, it will appear on the searched company information page that we are currently on. Please make sure that this is the right entity that you wish to file the reinstatement application for. If it is, go ahead and click there where it says file. When you click file, it's going to open up to a series of pages where you are supposed to confirm the details of the company, the details of the directors. So you are to fill in that information for the company. It is what industry it was trading in, its physical address, and all those details. Then you are also to confirm if the current directors that are sitting on the profile are the correct ones. If not, then I'm sure it gives you an option to also remove the directors and put the correct ones, or it might redirect you to something else. But please confirm the information there that it is true and correct. Anywhere where there's missing information, please do make sure to enter that information. So once you're done with that whole process, it's going to take you to this page where it tells you that your application has been submitted successfully, and it will give you a reference number. That does not mean the process is over. What CIPC then does is to send an OTP to the filer. So the filer, this is the customer code holder, will receive an SMS or and an email. On these, SMS and email is the one-time PIN that you are supposed to use to authorize the whole application process. So please do not stop here. You are to continue to go to your cell phone and your email address and collect these one-time PINs. We don't just assist with CIPC, but we also assist with income tax, VAT, employees tax, pay as you earn UIF. So if you ever need assistance with that, please be sure to contact us. We've put also our details in that link that's in the description. Feel free to contact us if you ever need any further assistance. So moving forward, you've clicked OK. It's going to take you back to this application processing page. You will see that your application is now sitting there on historical applications. You are to click there where it says view. So when you click there where it says view, it's going to take you to this one-time PIN approval page. You are to then give consent by clicking on that red box with an X. When you click on it, then you scroll down all the way to the bottom. It will give you an option to either enter the PIN that you received via email or that you received via SMS. So you are the filer, you should have this information sitting in your email or your SMSs. If you do not, then you might need to call CIPC and just verify that they have with them your correct email and cell phone details. So now that you've done the one-time PINs and you're all approved, it will take you to the payment page. You are to click there where it says checkout. When you click on checkout, it will take you to the CIPC terms and conditions for payments. Please go to the bottom right and click there where it says agree if you agree to the terms and conditions. It will open up a slot where you can enter your Mastercard or your Visa card details for payment. Once you have done that process, then your application would be successful. They would have taken their 200 Rand and the application process is now successful. It will take you to this outcome page where it will give you the reference and it will show you that your payment transaction was processed successfully. Please do expect to receive that letter that you now have 30 days to file your annual returns or outstanding annual returns, and you're also supposed to file all outstanding beneficial ownership declarations that had not been filed yet. And now that you're done with this whole process, then your company will now move into in-business status. So if there was any hold on your bank account, now you can get a disclosure document from the CIPC and present it to your bank, then your bank account will be unfreezed. But that's not the end though. You still have another entity that you need to deal with, which is called SARS. So you need to also ensure that you are compliant with SARS as well. And if you want to find out what are the differences between SARS and CIPC, please check out my next video. Thank you. God bless. Please make sure that you like and subscribe and share this video with others if you found it helpful. Thank you.